If I told you you can learn about 400 words in Portuguese, would you believe me? No? Well, although Portuguese and English are different languages and they have different origins, sometimes it is possible to associate one with the other. What makes it easier to learn them? Either you are someone who speaks Portuguese and who wants to learn English, or vice versa. Many times that's due to the fact that some words that exist in both languages have their root derived from Latin, making them very similar and easy to associate. So, although it may look like clickbait, it isn't, and I'm going to show you. Are you ready? So as I said in the beginning of this video, today we are going to learn 400 words in Portuguese. In fact, I'm going to teach you 5 rules that you can apply to deduce how a word can be translated from English to Portuguese, making it very easy to increase your vocabulary in the Portuguese language. Just remember that every rule has its exception, so we should not generalize them. So let's get it started. The first rule is for words that end in ty. The rule is simple. You remove the ending ty and replace it with dade or dade. Let's see some examples. City, cidade. Simplicity, simplicidade. Velocity, velocidade. Naturally, naturalidade. Capacity, capacidade. The second rule is for words that end in tion. Again, simple. You remove the ending tion and replace it with são. Let's see some examples. Simplification, simplificação. Nation, nação. Observation, observação. Naturalization, naturalização. Sensation, sensação. Rule number 3. When a word ends in lly, you remove this ending and replace it with mente. Here are some examples. But before we continue, do you know who is responsible for the growth of this channel? Yes, exactly. You. I make these videos about the Portuguese language and about the Brazilian culture because I believe that they will help you and that you will have a good time watching them. So, if you have enjoyed this video so far, I'd like to ask you to leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel. That will help us a lot, not only to grow the channel, but also to keep making good and fun videos especially for you. Thank you so much, and let's go back to the video. Naturally, naturalmente. Genetically, geneticamente. Orally, oralmente. For rule number 4, we have the words that end in ence. Again, you remove this ending and add ência. Check it out. Essence, essência. Reverence, reverência. Frequence, frequência. Eloquence, eloquência. And finally, for rule number 5, we have the words that end in al. This rule is the easiest one because you will not have to change anything. It stays the same. Look, here are some examples. Natural, natural. Total, total. General, general. Fatal, fatal. Sensual, sensual. And that's it. It's true, I didn't show you 400 words. I showed you only 23, but that's already a good number for one day. The trick is that if you really try to apply these rules, to the words that apply to them, you will see you will really learn 400 or even more words in Portuguese in a much easier way than if you just tried to memorize them. Try to apply it to some examples that you know and you will see it will work. We hope you have liked it. Muito obrigado e até mais! If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you want to learn more Portuguese, make sure to check other videos in the channel I have made especially for you. Até mais!